What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're unboxing the 2018 Hot Wheels M case. The treasure hunt for this case is the Quick Bite, and the super treasure hunt for this case is the Audi RS6. Let's see if we get either of those cars. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, we will start right at the top here, and any new cars that are like something we haven't seen or interesting, we're going to pop open right away. So we'll start it off with the Hogzilla. We'll definitely open that one. We've also got Electrac and the 32 Ford. We've seen Electrac and 32 Ford before, so let's go ahead and pop open Hogzilla. There is Hogzilla, some nice big wheels, and this is some sort of like dune buggy type of car, but looks really cool. Check out the side as well. We got some nice graphics and stuff on there, so that's a cool looking car. We'll set that aside. Let's go up onto the top right here, and we've got the 2017 Pagani Roadster in red, the recolor of it. We've seen this one before. We've got the Humvee, and we've got the 2015 Mercedes AMG GT. These are all just from the previous case, so we'll put those ones aside. And there's a brand new one. It is the Dmc Delorean. Very nice casting. We've got the HW450F. We've seen that one before. And the new Barbie Corvette, the 2014 Stingray. Let's start off by opening up the DMC. We won't open up the motorbike here. Put that aside. Let's go ahead and see this one. And this one is very cool. I like how they brought this casting back, and it almost looks like I've got a slight air in the back right here. You can see how the window's kind of bent there. See how that is? Not on this side, it's not very bent, but on this side, you can see that little bent piece right there. So that's kind of interesting. I haven't seen that before, an air right away, but that's really cool. And we've got the black, and check out the front. Very cool looking from the front, and on the back, nice details and stuff for this DeLorean, besides that little air right there. All right, let's see the Barbie Corvette. There it is. You can see how it's sitting kind of awkward in this case. There we go. And check out the card right there, the Barbie-ness to it. Hot Wheels screen time. Let's go ahead and pop this one open. Barbie Corvette, check it out. The big pink Barbie. They've actually done a Barbie and Hot Wheels car before, but this is the first one that I've actually owned, and first one we've seen in a long time. But this is great. It kind of integrates the younger girls into Hot Wheels, which I think is awesome. There we go, Barbie Corvette. All right, we'll put that one aside. Let's check out what else we got up here. We've got the Fast Master, and that's a 50th anniversary car. I don't think we've opened that one before. I've seen that one before, so we'll open that one up. King Cuda, and we've got a new color for the Ford Focus RS. We've seen the King Cuda. We'll put that one aside. Let's go ahead and open up these two here. So we've got Fast Master, and we've got the classic matte finish paint job on there that we've seen on all the 50th anniversary cars. And it's got some sort of weird like bubble top on there. Kind of an interesting car. I like these wheels though. I think these wheels are kind of cool for a 50th anniversary car. Nice looking casting, nothing too special though. And let's check out the new color for the Focus RS. We've got these crazy white wheels to it, and definitely some interesting Tampa work Hot Wheels art car. Go ahead and pop this one open. And there it is. Check out the details on the side of that one. You can see it's kind of an imitation of the car on the side with those white wheels. And check out the top right there. Wow, that is an interesting casting. Very cool artwork all around the Focus RS, and it's got that gray bottom on there. All right, that's cool. All right, let's see what else we got up here. We've got the Street Stealth, and that's looks like a new color of it. Nothing too fancy, and we'll put that one aside. We won't open that one. Then we've got the Porsche 917 LH, the new white color, golf color scheme, and the Audi RS6 Avant. That's the non-super treasure hunt variation, but very nice. Let's go ahead and open both of these ones up. The Porsche 917, check that one out. Wow, that's awesome. We got the original blue variation that came at the beginning of the year, now this one, and this is a great looking casting, a very cool car. Golf R is a popular collector's item for Hot Wheelers. A lot of people collect the golf cars, and I've got quite a few of them now, so we might have to do like a photo shoot with all the golf cars or a race or something. But very nice, the Porsche. And let's open up this cool new Audi. Again, this is not the Super Treasure Hunt variation. This is the Treasure Hunt or the standard mainline variation of it, but I think it looks fantastic. Brand new casting, very good detail on the front of this one. Check it out. Nice Tampa work. I even like the license plate that they've got in there. And from the back, looks very, very nice and detailed. Even got that license on the back. Great work. They did an awesome job on this one. This is one of the nicest castings that I've seen in a while as far as detail goes on the front and the back of it. So very, very cool. I'm hoping I get the Treasure Hunt variation of it, or the Super Treasure Hunt variation of it. We'll see. So we've got next up Solar Reflex and Spector, and we've got the 20 Ford Fiesta. Kind of cool. Not really anything I really care to open right now. I think we'll move on to something a little bit more interesting. Up here we've got another 50th anniversary car, the 70 Pontiac Firebird, another one of the Audi RS6s, and a brand new casting, the Dodge, what is this? Dodge D100. So let's go ahead. We already opened the Audi. We'll open up both of these, the 70 Firebird first. See what this one's all about. There it is. Again, those nice wheels on there, the matte finish paint job, and check out the engine on the top. That's pretty cool. And from the back as well, 50th anniversary logo. Great looking casting, very, very nice. All right, we'll throw that one down. Then we've got the 87 Dodge D100, brand new casting. Check that out. And it looks like it's raised in the front and lower in the back. That's kind of an interesting touch. So I think they've purposely done that. And this one, check out this one. Yes, that one is cool. This is so neat. Oh man, this is gonna be fun to just like roll around and play with and stuff as well. Dodge on there. We've got the nice tire on the back. 316. Check out all the Tampa work on the side of it. This is so cool. This is an interesting casting. Very, very cool. I like this one. All right, we'll throw that one down. And what else do we have in here? We've got another 50th anniversary casting that I don't have, the 2009 Ford F-150. So I'm closing in on collecting all of the 50th anniversary castings now. We got 3 new ones in this case. That's interesting. We'll open that one in a sec. 32 Ford we've already opened, and there's a Skate Brigade, and that's something that I use as my GoPro car on the 6-lane raceway. So we'll keep that one for later. Let's just go ahead and open up the truck here. And I've seen this one in multi-packs. I haven't seen it as a single yet, so finally got my hands on it as a single. There we go. Very, very nice. Again, the matte finish paint job to match all the 50th anniversary cars, and the orange on the bottom, those 50th anniversary wheels. Some nice work on the front there and on the back, and there's the 50th logo that we've got right there on the back end, Ford on it. Number 5 on there as well. Don't know why it has the number 5, but hey. Very, very cool. All right, that's a cool casting. Let's go ahead and see what else we got. We got the Fast 4WD, or 4-wheel drive, however you want to say it. We've got another Mad Props and a 2018 Camaro SS. We've already seen the Camaro and the Fast 4WD. I think we'll just leave it in there. Nothing too special. Let's see what else we got down here. We've got the Rally Cat, a new color, and there is the Zoom In, the GoPro car. You guys already know I've got a couple of those. We've opened them up. There's an actual video of that. I'll post a link for that video below if you want to see that one in detail. And this is a 2015 Ford Mustang GT convertible, and that's a new color as well. So I think we'll go ahead and just pop this one open. Lots of you Ford fans want to see this new Mustang. And I like these wheels on here. Black and white's color on the actual body with these nice colored wheels. That's interesting. Very, very nice. I think that's a pretty cool casting. I like the color. Those wheels just, they make it stand out and look different. There's so many base cars and colors and stuff, but it's nice they come out with something different. So there we go, something different. Nice, nice, nice. Next up, we've got the Honda Civic Type R, the blue one, and we've got another one of the Mercedes-AMG GTs and a Mach Speeder. We've seen all of those cars before, so we'll leave those ones alone. What else do we have right here? We've got another one of the Hogzilla, the Nissan Fairlady Z or Z, and another Fastmaster, all cars we've seen before. So we'll put those ones aside and let's get down to the next half. No treasure hunts or super treasure hunts so far, so we're hoping for some good news coming up here. Let's get that box closer and see what's on the top here. And there we go. We've got the time shifter. We've got another one of the Dodge D100s and a Humvee. We've seen all those before. We'll put those ones aside. And what else do we have up top right here? Ooh, cars are falling now. I got this extra piece we'll take out. And we've got the Chevelle Ss wagons, a new colorway. Not my favorite casting, so we'll just leave it alone. We've got the new colorway of the the 69 Camaro Z28. And then there's this high roller all in clear. I think we should open up those two castings right there. So let's open up this one. This is a very, very interesting color for this car, for the 69 Camaro Tunes. Check out the wheels. Wow, that is crazy. That's some crazy colors. And check it out from the top. Yes, this is definitely a different casting. We've seen the same casting, but the colorway, they put a lot of detail into it. But that's really, really cool. I like this one. That's going to be cool to put down as a display piece. And the high roller in the X-Ray series, all clear. We got to open this one up and see this one up close and personal as well. So let's go ahead and do that. There is the high roller. Check out, you can see the engine right through it. Wow, that is neat, the high roller. And check it out from the top as well. Very awesome, wow. Okay, that's definitely something cool and different. What do we have else here? We've got the 2017 Mustang, and that's from the Checkmate series. I think we've seen that one before. Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. I believe I have opened that one up before, so we'll leave that too. And we've seen the Batman animated series car before, so we'll put those ones aside. And we're moving on up. And there we go. We've got the Tesla Model X. And I actually have this casting. I found it in a multi-pack, and I've opened it up on my channel before. So we'll leave that one closed. We got the Bulletproof, and there is a Bone Shaker, another one of the 50th anniversary cars. That's not the ultimate treasure hunt. That's just the mainline version. All cars we will just leave. We won't open those ones up. And what else do we have up here? 49 Ford F1 new colorway. We've got the high beam and the backdrafter. Backdrafter, wow, that's pretty cool. We won't open the backdrafter or the high beam, but let's see what this 49 F1 truck looks like. Open that one up. And there we go. Check out the flame job, black wheels, chrome lip on there. Nice colorway for it. And pretty detailed. Pretty good, pretty cool. We've seen a super treasure hunt variation in a different color of this, and this is just a new color variation. So we'll put that one down. Let's go up onto the top now, and we've got the red BMW M2. We've got a hover and out, and another red BMW M2. We've seen those ones before, so we'll throw those ones to the side here. And we've got a time shifter. We've got the Montosaurus and the Sandovar. Nothing too special. We'll put those ones aside as well. What else do we have up here? We've got the Turbot, another one of the Teslas, and Velocita from the Checkmate series. That's the queen of the Checkmate series. That one's pretty cool, actually. You know what? Let's open up the Queen Velocita on there. It's an interesting color. For a fantasy car, I don't open many fantasy cars, so there you go. Velocita is a pretty cool fantasy car. Queen on there, all white from the top as well. And you can see the little Queen right there as well. That's a nice casting. Nice, good color. I like the white. All right, let's see. We've got another one of the Corvette Grand Sports. We've got a Shark Bite Street Beast, all black, and we've got the Volkswagen Beetle. We've seen the Beetle before, and we've seen the Corvette 50th Anniversary Edition Shark Bite. We've opened up many of them before. We'll just show you up close. We won't actually open it, though. I'll put those ones aside. What else do we have down here? We've got the Nissan Fairlady Z, or Z, and we've got the hover and out, and new color variation of the Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo. We'll put those ones aside. We've seen them before, and let's open up the Lamborghini here. There we go. Lamborghini, this is the orange variation. This is our 5th color variation of the Huracan Super Trofeo. And the orange color, very cool, great casting, very nice detail on it. Black wheels, 06 Lamborghini on the spoiler right there. From the front, nice and aggressive looking, nice tampo work on the lights. Great casting. I know you guys love Lamborghinis, and so do I, so that's going to be a nice one to have. And we're getting close to the bottom here. We've got the 2012 Ford Fiesta. We've got a Fiat 500. Is that a new color of the Fiat 500? I can't remember if we've seen that color before. We'll leave it. We got the Volkswagen Beetle again. We'll leave those. And we are on the last 3 cars. We've got the 69 Chevelle, and check out that one, X-Ray Series car, 2018 Camaro SS and the Honda Civic Type R. We've seen those 2 before. Let's open up this Chevelle, and this is the last cars of the case, so no treasure hunts, no super treasure hunts, kind of disappointing, but hey, you know what? I've actually already got the super treasure hunt for the Audi. I'll show you guys that one in a second, but check this X-Ray Series one out. Wow. That is crazy. They're doing a really great job on these new X-Ray Series cars. They're putting a lot more detail into them. Check it out from the bottom. These wheels, though, those look so cool. This is going to be cool to go down the track. We'll have to race this one down the track in the future. All right, guys, here is the Super Treasure Hunt Audi from this case. It's one that I've already collected. I already had opened up. So very, very nice. It's got that metallic paint. And here's the mainline version that we just opened up in this case. So you can see the definite color difference, and the Super Treasure Hunt obviously has the Real Rider tires on it as well. They're nice slick Real Rider tires on there, and there they both are. So very cool. This is an awesome casting. You know what? Sometimes I like the mainline version better than the Super Treasure Hunts, like I did with the Lamborghini Aventador of this year. And I have to say, the mainline version, for some reason, it just shows the details a lot better. It's maybe just the color, the red color of this. It shows some fantastic detail on the front and back. I mean, the Super Treasure Hunt does show those details as well, but it kind of hides it with this kind of burgundy type of red color. So I'm really liking this casting. Like I said, the mainline version is fantastic. So if you can't find the Super Treasure Hunt, get the mainline for sure. It's just a fantastic casting, and I wish we would see this car in real life released in North America. Unfortunately, they leave it to just overseas. So there we go, guys. There are the highlight cars from the 2018 Hot Wheels M case. I'm gonna have to say that the Audi RS6 we just showed you, that's one of my favorites. The new color of the Porsche 917 is one of my favorites, as well as the Lamborghini from this. And of course, this DeLorean's really nice, and the D100 Dodge. There's just a lot of really great cars from this case, and so hopefully you guys can collect them. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite car from this case, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye. Thanks, big timers, for watching this video. Make sure you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe and throw this video a like. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.